You hear it everywhere. AI is taking jobs. AI is writing code. AI is creating art. But if I asked you to define artificial intelligence right now, could you do it without sounding like a sci-fi movie? Probably not. Today, we're stripping away the hype. No jargon, no complex math. Just the simple truth about what AI actually is, how it works, and why it's suddenly everywhere. Welcome to episode 1 of AI Explained Easily. First, let's clear up a misconception. AI isn't new. We've had basic AI in spam filters and recommendation engines for decades. But what changed recently? Two things: data and compute. We finally have enough internet data to teach computers and chips powerful enough to process it. Think of AI not as a brain, but as a superpowered prediction engine. It doesn't think, it predicts the next most likely piece of information based on patterns it has seen before. Not all AI is created equal. Let's break it down into 3 buckets. ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence, this is what we have today. It's great at one specific task. Chess AI? Brilliant. But ask it to write a poem, and it fails. It's narrow. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, this is the holy grail. An AI that can learn any intellectual task a human can do. We aren't there yet. ACI, Artificial Superintelligence, this is the sci-fi stuff. An intelligence far surpassing the brightest human minds. Also, not here yet. Key takeaway: when people say AI is taking over, they're usually talking about ANI getting really good at specific tasks. So how does it actually work? Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize a cat. You don't give it rules like cats have whiskers. Instead, you show it 10 million photos of cats and non-cats. This is called machine learning. The computer looks for patterns, shapes, colors, textures. It's like a chef tasting 10,000 soups to finally understand what saltier means. It doesn't know the definition of salt, it just knows the pattern of taste. Modern AI, like the one powering this video's script suggestions, uses deep learning, which is like having layers of chefs checking each other's work to get the flavor exactly right. If AI has been around since the 1950s, why is it exploding now? Because of big data. Every time you click a video, send a text, or use a map, you're generating data. AI feeds on this. It's the fuel. Without the internet's massive library of text and images, modern AI would be starving. We finally built the library large enough for the student to graduate. So, is AI dangerous? Like any tool, it depends on who holds it. A hammer can build a house or break a window. AI is a lever for the mind. It amplifies our creativity and our efficiency. But it also amplifies our biases if we aren't careful. In the next episode, we're going to look at generative AI, the kind that creates images and text, and why it's different from the AI we've used for years. If you want to stay ahead of the curve without the confusion, hit that subscribe button. I'm Madhav, and this is AI Explained Easily. See you in the next one.